Hello guys, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to enable Siri on your iPhone. Okay, so if you come across this video, make sure you don't skip, because if you skip any part of this video, you might not get the right information as well. So stick with me to the end so that I get it all correct. Okay, did you know your iPhone has a personal assistant built right in? Today I will show you the amazing functions of Siri and how it makes life easier. So 1. Siri can be used to make call and send text to our loved ones. 2. It can set alarm and reminder on your phone. 3. Siri can be used to ask questions and search info. 4. Siri can get direction and traffic updates for you. 5. Siri can be used to play music and podcasts by command. 6. Siri can control settings, example Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also increase brightness. 7. Siri can manage your calendar and notes. 8. Siri can control your smart home, example your smart TV that you use at home and watching telenovelas and action movie as well. Okay, so right now let's come back to business. Without wasting much time, let's jump into my phone screen whilst I show you how to go about how to enable Siri on your iPhone as quick as possible. Okay, so when you wanna enable Siri on your iPhone, there is what you're gonna do for the first time. You make sure you look for the settings app. What we are gonna be doing, we are gonna be looking for the settings app on our iPhone. Okay, so here is my settings, and then we have to toggle on that real quick. After you toggle on the settings, you have to scroll all the way down. So let's do that. And then what we are looking for is Siri and search. It's located down under the wallpaper. So what we are gonna be doing next, we have to toggle on it once again. So let's do that real quick. After toggling on it, it will open, and then the first thing you will see on your screen will be listen for Hey Siri. That is the first thing. First step, The second step is press side button for Siri. So I'm gonna be taking you through all the steps one by one. And now let's start with listening for Hey Siri. So what you are gonna be doing, you make sure you toggle on the listening for Hey Siri once. So let's do that real quick. After you toggle on the listening for Hey Siri, you will notice a pop-up on your screen which says enable Siri. So let's click on the enable Siri right there. After clicking on the enable Siri, you will notice it says set up Hey Siri. So right now, because we want to set up the Hey Siri, we have to press on the continue button right here. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, so now our Siri is ready, so let's click on done. Okay, let me remove this real quick. The press side button is added, so I just removed it from my screen. So let's go back, and then what you have to check is when you allow Siri when screen is locked. Let me show you what I mean. Example, let me off my screen, and then now let's command Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather condition in Ghana today?
Looks like rain in Accra, Ghana today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 28 degrees, with overnight lows around 24.
Okay, thank you. So as you guys can see, that's what I mean by when the screen is locked. You can also command Siri to do whatever you want him to do. The AI, I mean. And right now, let me on my screen and let's continue what I mean. So right now, let's go back. Let's get out of the settings. And right now, we are gonna be asking Siri one more time any question at all. Hey Siri, how would the future be in 10 years to come?
Okay, I found this on the web for how will the future be in 10 years to come. Check it out.
Okay, thank you. Siri, hey Siri, can you take me to AudioMac?
It doesn't look like you have an app named AudioMac. You can search for it in the App Store.
Okay, thank you. Hey Siri, can you open Boomplay? Okay, thank you. Right now, let's go back. So as you guys can see from the screen, what I just did was I commanded Siri to do me whatever I want him to do, and that was how he listened to my voice because I activated it on my iPhone. And right now, let's go back real quick so that I show you how to use the power button. When you press it, this time around, you're not going to be controlling Siri with the voice, but rather you'll be pressing the side button to control Siri. So let's open the settings buttons again. When you click on the settings, what we are going to be looking for right now is Siri, and search one more time. Sorry guys, I thought I wanted to say something. And then right now, from the top, for the Hey Siri, we are going to turn it off right here. Real quick, what we are going to be doing, we have to press on the press side button for Siri. That's what we are going to be using right now, and that's the second option. Let's click over there real quick. So as you guys can see, it says enable Siri. So when this thing pops up on your screen, make sure you click on the enable Siri right there. After clicking that, the same thing applies to what I said in the first control. When the allow Siri when locked, when the screen is locked, you can control Siri at that point. So right now, let's go back real quick and let me show you what I mean. So after you have turned the two buttons on off, what you're gonna do is right now, when you say hey Siri, Siri is never gonna respond unless you click on the side button right here. So let's do that real quick. Let me show you guys what I mean. Let me click over there. Hey Siri.
Good evening.
What is my name? Hey Siri, what is my name?
You're Joshua. That's what you told me. Anyway.
Thank you. So as you guys can see from my screen, I just used the second step as I said earlier on. And now we are coming to the end of this video. And if you find this video educative and informative, and I think if you learn something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You smash, you like, you share, and then you comment. I want to know which method you would like to go with, so make sure you don't forget to drop down your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.